Welcome back to another edition of the Best in Practice video series presented by IgniteDA Group. I'm Kevin Henry with Ignite. Our patients look to us every single day to provide the best care that we can. They put their trust in us. So we owe it to our patients to do all we can to make them feel comfortable once they walk in our doors. Now more than ever, we should be communicating what our practices are doing to remain compliant and safe for all patients. Patients deserve that peace of mind. In this new normal, some might see this as a difficult challenge, but you know what? It's honestly not. And the smallest of things can go a long way. In my experience, one of the most reassuring things that patients appreciate is when clinicians unwrap a freshly cleaned and sterilized IMS cassette. They look over and see all the instruments inside that cassette so neatly organized and ready to go. And the full transparency of unwrapping the cassette in front of your patient communicates your practice's devotion to patient safety, along with showing them that your practice invests in modern, sleek-looking equipment. But you know what? You don't have to stop there. Offer up a tour of your sterilization center. Show patients where used instruments go after a procedure is over, or take them step by step through the cleaning and sterilization process. First, show your patients how your practice cleans and protects your instruments. If the instruments aren't clean, they can't be properly sterilized. Next, once dried, it's time to wrap, and with the help of IMS cassettes, there's no need to sort individual instruments. Then it's time for the autoclave. Talk to your patients through the process. Once they're cleaned and sterilized, all instruments go to storage. And finally, when it's time for that next procedure, find the appropriate instruments and prep the tray for the next patient. I'm telling you, patients will appreciate taking the time out to give them that additional peace of mind. In this video series, you'll hear us talk about the Greenlight Dental Compliance Center by IgniteDA. It's a tremendous program for practices to stay up to date and compliant with infection prevention and control protocols. The feel-good moment of knowing your practice is on top of infection control doesn't have to remain internal. Let the patients know. Members can put the Greenlight badge in their office windows or on their website, communicating that safety is a top priority in their practice. Look, you don't have to shout it from the rooftops, but patients value the overall experience that you bring to them. What we talked about today is simple, yes, but being the best in practice can be simple and still so very effective. I'm Kevin Henry, and stay tuned for more installments of the Best in Practice video series presented by our friends at IgniteDA Group.